Next, I'm going to name this berm structure as an alignment. So I'm going to go up here and go alignment and go create alignment from objects. It asks me to select the first line, arc, or polyline, so I'm going to pick this. And when I'm done, I'll hit enter. Notice how the arrow is going to the north. That's an appropriate direction for my stationing. If I don't like it, I can type an R for reverse, but I'll accept that, hit enter. And now I'm going to give my alignment a name. So let's call this the embankment berm. And we'll also specify a beginning station. You should never start any alignment on a station at 0 or really less than 5. So I'm going to type in 500 here. I'll say OK. And notice typing in 500, actually the computer inserted the plus sign, so we're actually at the 5 plus 00 stationing. Civil 3D will automatically station for you, so we have all of our stationings listed. If we don't want any of those stationings, we can simply select them and delete it. But I kind of like them, so I'm going to type U for undo. And takes a few times, but there they go. Now I'm going to create an alignment for the outlet channel. And so I'm going to make a layer called outlet channel. And I'm going to make it current. I'm also going to give it a color, maybe light blue. And near the berm area, I'm going to find a suitable location for my outlet channel. And I'm going to create an outlet structure as follows. So my outlet channel is going to go about 2.5 feet below the top elevation. The top elevation for this berm is at 982. So maybe I'll put my outlet channel down here somewhere. So here's 982, 981, 980, and I can put it down here somewhere. I'm going to do that by, again, using the line command. So if this is 982, 981, 980, I'll come in something like this. You can pull that back a little bit. So that's actually 3 feet below the top of my berm. And then maybe I want to drain it over to here. So I'm going to go something like this. And now I'm going to create a radius there by going curve between two lines. Pick one, pick the other. Enter for radius and maybe a 25-foot radius. That looks pretty good. And there's my outlet channel. I'm going to define that outlet channel as an alignment as follows. Just like before, we go up to the alignments option, create alignments from objects. When prompted, I'm going to pick this. Now, I did not turn this into a polyline, so now I'm picking a line, a curve, and a line. Hit enter, and you can see because I have 3 individual segments, I have 3 arrows. They should all go in the same direction. So I'm going to hit enter, and now we will call this the outlet channel. We'll specify some kind of stationing for that. Maybe I'll start that at station 10. So again, I've named a name. I've given it a starting station, and then I say OK. So now I have stationing for my outlet channel, and I have stationing for my embankment berm. You can see the coloring changes when you define them as an alignment. That's part of the template options. Your alignments go on a specific layer.